So we have the measuring tool, that is the eyedropper. First, the eyedropper tool samples color to designate a new foreground or background color. So this is not actually a measuring tool, eyedropper. I'll show you what it does. And color sampler, these tools allow you to view color values in defined spots of your image. I'll show you how. So you have to see the color sampler tool and see we have you can set up to 4 color samplers on your image, and you can change the sample size. It can go big or small, and you can move the samplers with color sampler tool to another spot. Then we have ruler. Ruler is to help position your image precisely. So this ruler tool calculates the distance between any 2 points in the workspace, and when you measure from one point to another, a non-printing line is drawn. I'll show you how. So the option bars and info panels will show you various information like the starting location, the horizontal vertical distance traveled along XY axis, then the angle measured relative to the axis, the total length traveled, the two length traveled D1, D2 when you use a protector. So these are eyedropper tool. You can go to eyedropper tool. Then we have color sampler tool. We have ruler tool. So I'll show you all these measuring tool, or you can say the important tools for some or the other activity we generally use. So now let me just close it. I don't want this slicing to be done. I open this again, bb.jpg. Okay. Now first tool which we talked about is this one. So this is the eyedropper tool. So eyedropper tool is simply, see, when I click somewhere, you just concentrate on this color. See, this color has changed. Now this has changed. So wherever I click it, the color will become like this. So this has become the foreground color. So whenever I use any other tool, this will take this color. So this is like a color picker. So you are choosing a color. Now this tool we have seen. Now let us go to the color sampler tool. The color sampler is kind of sampling. You can take 4 colors from different sides. So I take 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And these all are showing the values. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these can be this. You have these values. So you have combined it 4, and this combined form, because there is only 4 possibilities. So even if I try to make one more, so it will give me an error. So these all 4 will combine, and then you will get the foreground color, right? So let me again do it for you. Let me escape it. I don't want to make it again. I'll make 4 once, 4 new. So let me go to some other. Then I've already chosen 4 of these. So even if I try, it will not make it. So I just have to go by it. It means pass it by. Now one more thing which I wanted to tell you here is, I hope you understand this idea. Now we go to the ruler. So where is the ruler? This is the measure tool. See, I take from this side to this side. So this is all X, Y, the width, height, the angle, and this is the distance which we travel. And this will not be printed. This is just to show that how much width, how much length is there, so that you can relate it with the actual paper on which you are going to print it. This is the ruler tool.